This is the first exercise regarding the recruitment and testing process dashboard. This dashboard supposed helps to managers to make a decision regarding the best candidate. So based on 55 interviewed candidates, I built a part of the table with the candidates' information here. We have several columns regarding the information. This is the candidate information, and we have two columns here with result-oriented and problem-solving, so based on the yes/fail figures that we can find here. So we can say that 65% of the candidates are result-oriented and 18% are problem-solving oriented. On the other hand, we have this figure here that represents the salary expectation, and we can say that the most of the people are in this column, 22.1%. They expect to get between 70 and 80k per year, and the next one in the scale is this one with 18%, between 50 and 60k per year. Next exercise is related to propose new feature for WorkSmart performance improving. We already know that WorkSmart offer to raise productivity and reduce costs by implementing workload balance and team activity assignment. So this proposal is referring to implement several tools to improve human interactions and project management. So in the first case, we can find online conversations, video conference, blogging, and knowledge management. These tools are important to have a close relationship between team members. Particularly, knowledge management is a discipline that allows us to get the best of subject matter expert and accelerate some product development. In the case of project management, the idea is to improve the activities monitoring, provide self-government resources for the team. They could design several stages into the project to manage the activities in different ways and assign different roles and different persons to go to those roles according to the skills. And the last one is to implement agile methodologies, since this could improve the time to market and accelerate some product developments. This exercise is regarding to propose a formula to increase productivity that is called Deep Work Score. Based on the sentence said by Cale Newport, to produce at your peak level you need to work for extended periods with full concentration on a single task free from distraction. So we can say that Deep Work Score could be equal to time spent by intensity of focus. If we can say that time spent is the active application session time, and by the other hand, intensity of focus is represented by number of keywords and mouse events. If we translate this to a new formula, we can say that Deep Work Score is equal to active application session time by keyword events plus mouse events. Translating this DWS formula and try to find out actionable insights for managers. I propose that by typifying activities and relate them to applications, managers could get an idea about tasks developed by people in each team, and of course scoring activities per worker. that it is represented by activity types column here, and we have, for example, research, produce presentation, calculation, and reporting document. Those activities are related with applications here in this column. So in that case, we can say that DWS per day could reflect in which activities people put their effort. So we have here these columns that represented that DWS per day. We can say that this is the day 1 that represents Monday, and day 5 represents Friday. Let's see some examples about this and try to understand a little bit more. So we can say in example A, we can say that see that research activity decreased from day 1 to day 5. We can guess that research and development team are involved, stop getting information from internet, and spend more time preparing presentation to be shown in the follow-up meeting on Fridays. So this means that they are the scoring decrease from Monday to day 5. This is can see in this curve, but also they are putting more effort on produce presentations, as you can see how the score is increasing or rising from day 1 to day 5 here, represented by the orange line here. Let's say another example, the calculation activities score rises at day 5 since purchase teams are involved in invoicing. So it's something that we can see in this curve. And the example C is reporting and document activity rises at the end of the week. We can see how this reporting document rises at the end of the week, probably because you have to report project management advance. So at this stage, we can say that by comparing these daily values monthly, we can get an idea about productivity and define a baseline of performance. This is an important thing because we can compare daily, weekly, monthly, and define a baseline of performance for the teams and try to find out deviations or corrections that we have to implement to improve the team productivity. So this is the last exercise. I finished my presentation. I hope this helps to make the best decision regarding the technical product owner position. Thank you.